Hello everybody, Aditya Sharma here from AS Motorsport. So today we're going to talk about a few aspects or things to keep in mind when you plan to buy a used car. Well, the recent reports state that close to about 60% of our country runs used cars now. So in that aspect, there are multiple things that one needs to make sure before purchasing a car. Like, first of all, the new segment of these so-called other state cars coming in, etc., etc. Now again, I don't mean to say that all cars are messed up, but there are quite a lot of such examples available in the market. So we usually tell our customers, our friends, that they should just go ahead, look at the car themselves first, get it to us or any other good workshop that they trust, get it evaluated, do a basic 360-degree check. So with us at AS Motorsport, we have a firm checklist because now we carry multiple OE scanners that are the original equipments that the showrooms also use. Now because of that, it enables us to look at various other aspects, various other systems of a vehicle that sometimes aftermarket scanners don't let you. Then you'll have to also look into your body line. If there's been an accident, then how is the accidental repair, the body line of the car, the paint quality of the car, any rusting on the car, bearing condition, suspension condition, mainly engine and transmission condition, because we recently have faced multiple issues with the engine and transmissions. We've seen multiple customers right after buying a used car, say within a week, having a blown transmission or a blown engine, because they usually don't even get them inspected. They have no idea of back compression. They have no idea of tappets or rocker bullet noises, which actually caused me to make this video, because this is something that is now coming to our workshop time and again. There are people coming with like dreaded faces. Now again, they could have helped themselves out earlier, but they chose not to. Right? It could be lack of knowledge, it could be lack of availability of good workshops or whatever in their surrounding. But we always now promote a pre-purchase inspection, as we call it. It's a 360-degree check, like I explained earlier. Because come on, we've seen cars, people buying high-end German manufactured cars for, say, the budget range between 8 to 16 lakhs. And after buying those cars, realizing that they'll again have to spend another 3 to 4 lakhs bare minimum. Because see, what happens is the Indian mindset does not understand that the vehicle will depreciate, but the spare parts will not. The spare parts are still going to cost you the same as they did when the car had launched. Right? There's a fixed MRP on it. And there is no way that you can get a better price or a discount after 3 to 4 years. Again, imported manufactured parts being used. There are a hell lot of things. Even showroom maintained cars these days have reported issues that have come to us. And we've also realized that it appears to be that the showroom has confirmed a general maintenance in the vehicle dashboard without even changing the oil, because the condition of the oil actually just speaks clearly about the service interval and also sometimes about the engine health. So keeping these aspects in mind, we've realized that people nowadays are cutting corners when it comes to cars. Again, like reasons best known to them, but it's causing a lot of drama. It's causing unwanted expenditure. It's causing people to lose faith in the automobile market now. Multiple dealers, etc., are also trying to just siphon off cars for a higher margin by buying lower priced cars in not so great condition, doing a full thoop polish job, as they say, and basically just selling them for a higher price. Well, their business is theirs, but again, ethical mannerism doesn't promote any of this. So yeah, that was the main aspect that I wanted to discuss today, and I want you all to be stay tuned, because we also plan to discuss maintenance in the next video, where we'll be talking about type of parts you can choose, how you could be clear to the workshop that you all visit about certain recommendations, certain approvals. So yeah, stay tuned for another one. Thank you guys.